Good morning, students. Today, let us see what is group discussion. Group discussion means it is also a conversation between a group of members where they will project the current affairs with the problem which arises in their scenario, and they will try to find out the solution for which they are discussing. And in your point of view, that is, you have group discussion in your syllabi. Why? Because group discussion is a part of selection process. It is used as a modern method to assess students' personality. It is a technique and also an art. It is a comprehensive tool to judge a personality, and they will find out the capability of a student and the fair how far they are appropriate for the job. The procedure for conducting a group discussion is a discussion among a group of persons, that is 8 to 12 members will be there in a group where they will be expressing their views freely, frankly, in a friendly manner on a topic of current issue, and the time limit for the discussion is 20 to 30 minutes. Prerequisites of a group discussion: here for judging the student in a selection process, a panelist will be there and they will be giving up a problem, that is a topic for you, and they will be giving some 5 to 10 minutes. Then they will check out first 5 to 10 minutes they will be giving for a discussion. You can recollect all the points whatever you know about it, and then you should project that you have good knowledge on a particular topic which they gave, and there should be you should be a self confident person to say that out, and you should have command over the language, and you should be a good presenter, and also they will look to the body language. You must sit straight, eye contact must be with the person who is speaking, etc. Prerequisite of a group discussion: there you must be calm and quiet. You should have knowledge about the state, country and globe. Politics, sports areas mostly they will cover are politics, sports, trade and commerce, industry, science, MNCs and technology oriented. And you should know to analyze the social and economical issues logistically, and you should be a good listener, active listener, and then you should know to cooperate with the other members while they try to give out their points. And benefits of group discussions are: it will stimulate the thinking, innovative thinking in a person in a new route, and there they will ask you to expand the knowledge, and through that how you exhibit your knowledge, how you project the idea, and how you take that problem, and whether you are capable to give answer to it, etc., will be analyzed by a panel member, and they will very well understand what is your strength and weakness through the presentation, and the true personality will be revealed, and mainly your leadership qualities will be judged based on how you perform the GD. It provides chance for exposure means you will be able to give out your full personality over this topic in a group discussion. And you should have, again what I say is, you should have command over the language. And next is it will talk more about the academic knowledge you possess and the leader skills and how you handle people. Are you a team, are you a good person to work in a team, and there your GK also will be tested. And what are the do's in group discussions are: it is appropriate to the issue, that is you must give out points which is more appropriate to the issue, and original points with supporting ideas should be there as a substantial reasoning. and you must be an active participant while others speak. Whatever you say, that should have a logical flow, and it should be an example as far as possible, and you should be able to give an accurate statement. And you should not don'ts of GDS, you should not shy, nervous, or you should not isolate yourself. You should be able to converse freely, and you should have some courtesy not to interrupt others when they are telling out their views. And you should not be favor of any particular idea, since this is a forum given to you in order to accept others. Only through that you will be proving the leadership skill. And you may have changed opinions, and you should not make fun of other participants. And again, you should not engage yourself in a subgroup conversation. When one is speaking, you other three should not speak other thing. You should have a you should listen to the speaker, and you should not repeatedly say a point, and you should not that is, you should not concentrate in the examiner. And if you make any grammatical errors, you should not mind it. You should go ahead with your points. And the important points in group discussion is, what are the skills will be tested is, you should be an assertive speaker, you should be a patient listener, and you should use the correct and right language, where the words can make friends, and right words at the right time make the best results. And you should have more analytical and fact oriented content. And you should be a cool person to accept criticism. If anybody says, if anybody disapproves your point, you should have mentality to accept. And if you think that what you said is right, you should have the patience to clarify that what you said is right in a right way, that is polite manner. And the throughout the discussion, you should have a same energy. First, you will be starting with enthusiasm, and last, when you get a chance also, you will be sitting quiet without saying any points. But you should not do that. You should be an active participant throughout the GD. Only it is a matter of 20 to 30 minutes. So you can prove that you are a good person, and you should prove that you are an asset to the company through the discussion. And here, mainly, as I told before also, this group discussion is conducted to show the leadership quality for you, and they will judge how you will be a good leader for a team. And the phrases, here I have given all the phrases. You can go through it and use while doing GDs. And while disagreeing, and while you give a suggestion, and when you want to ask some clarification, and if you want to interrupt them, etc. And other useful phrases also here I have given. You can go through the topic. And now the current topics are like this: COVID-19, mobile phones are internet a boon or nuisance, is India shining, daughters are more caring than sons, etc. Whatever may be the topic. Why I gave this topic is that it may be sensitive, emotional, or also analytical. Whatever it is, you should know to handle it properly with the correct data. Thank you, dears.